Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Just a short minute or two. I've had a little bit of snow, but a lot of wind, so we have a lot of snowdrifts. Just want to show you. It's not really big, but it is snowdrifts. So let's attack them. See how it goes. Really love plowing through soft drifts because you're really doing good things, because cars can't drive through this stuff, at least not the small modern cars. So there will be a new longer video up in a couple of days, as soon as I have time to empty the cameras. But it's a beautiful day today. I'm just cleaning up from the night snowfall. I've already plowed once, but as I said, we had a lot of wind, so we have to do a cleanup route. And this is not my normal plowing route. Here's a big one. Let's gain some speed and attack this. Yeah, the wind has calmed down. When you do that stuff and it's still a lot of wind, all it is blowing up on the windscreen. But we had lucky today. No more wind, just blue sky and a lot of fresh snow. As I said, there will be a longer video as soon as I have time to empty the dash cam. So have a good and beautiful day, and I see you in a couple of days.